Sporty shop they born. Sporty shop they born. And your girlfriend need money. Which one we go save first?
Sporty shop they born.
And your girlfriend they in need of money.
And I book game. And I book game inside sporty shop. You say sometimes if you ask a question, you the reason them.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Sporty shop they born. And my money dey inside. What I will use my girlfriend do now? I go enter the safe first. Go bring out the person we they in charge. Make the person no die.
You get it?
Allah.
Make the person not die because if the person die now, that one a big wahala. Because my money they important. So make the person come out first. Make sure born. So that if they can't go hospital later. I go hospital to visit them. You make them. Oba one ballon. You make them. Go again.